Hi guys! Good morning! It's been a while, oh my god, na nag-vlog ako like a year ago. And here's my big girl. Big girl na po siya. Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
I think it was over a year since I last uploaded a video. Yun yung nag-London kami. And that is because we applied for my American tourist visa. So a lot of things happened off-cam. And yeah, luckily, I got approved on the spot after the interview. So, parang May ata kami nag-apply ng visa. And then, June last year is nag-America kami. I haven't vlogged or something, but I've got some few clips. I don't know if i-upload ko siya, but yes. We went to Disneyland and some few water parks in Florida. So, doon kami nag-stay sa Florida. And then, same month, I figured out I am pregnant. So yes, I was pregnant June. And then, yes, I've got a baby boy. So yeah, I am pregnant and I've got a baby boy. His name is Josh. I'm gonna show him to you later. So a lot of things happened. I gave birth to Josh. What month? January this year. So, 6 months na po siya. Ang aking baby boy. I've got 1 each na po. 1 girl and 1 boy po. So, yun. Yun yung last travel namin. I was pregnant already when we went to America. Mga 1 month? 1 month ata ako nun. So, I was very extra careful. But I still managed to go to water parks, go to the lazy river and everything. But super ingat. And yes, ano pa ba? Parang yun lang. And then my mom is here. My mom is here from the Philippines. We applied for her visa around March. And it got approved. And now she's here. Parang magto 2 months na siyang andito. So, she has been a big help for me. Especially looking after Josh. Kasi, Diyos ko, ang asawa ko is wala dito every other month. Naku, nag-breakdown talaga ako ng first. Josh was like a month. I said, I think I want my mom. And then, yung aking napakabait na mister, ayun, in-apply si mama ng visa and dito siya for 5 months. Actually, magto 2 months na siya dito and then I've been touring her. I've been touring her around mga castles, beach, kahit saang lugar na yung dinadala ko yung mga bata. Even the places that I've never been to, dinala ko si mama. Para lang for memories na picture-picture, para tourist na tourist talaga. Kasi tourist naman talaga siya. And yun, nasa baba si Josh. I just showered and then palitan kami. After ko dito, siya naman ang maliligo. And then ako naman magpapatay kay Josh. Yun lang. And then, having her here, just ko ang Filipino food. Halos araw-araw. Wala nang diet. Wala nang diet. Just ko, Lord. Iba talaga pagluto ng mama mo. Tsaka iba talaga pag andito yung mama mo. Shout out to you, Mom. Thank you for coming and for cooking food for us. So, yes. It's been a while, guys. I hope makapag-upload ako para makita ni Mama in case na, of course, yun naman talaga siya ng Pinas. Ito lang yung way ko na para makita niya kung ano yung update namin dito sa UK. Kasi nung nasa Cebu kami, nasa Philippines, ginagawa ko yung video because I want my mother-in-law, yung family ng aking asawa, na makita. At pinapanood naman talaga nila. Now na andito ako, gagawa ulit ako ng video para mapanood ng aking pamilya naman dun sa Pinas. Yung update ng aking mga anak. Right, Bella? How old are you now?
5.
Diyos ko, 5. Ang tagal na pala namin ng aking asawa. Diyos ko. So, yes. Nung lumipat kami dito, kakawan niya lang talaga. So, we've been here for just over 4 years na, guys. Tagal na namin dito. And we'll see anong mangyayari sa aming buhay. We'll see you guys later. Ding, 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 ding! Hi, guys! I'm introducing you my second born Josh. His name is Josh. Yan po ang nangyari. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Meron po akong isang chikiting. 2 actually. Hi guys! Sino ang kamukha niya? Ang tatay o ako? Sabi nila ako daw pero hopefully nag-nap siya, pero mga 15 minutes lang daw. Hi, guys! Ang pogi naman yan!
Hello, everybody!
Ito ata yung first video na.
Hello!
Andito yung
Hello, everybody!
Say hi, guys!
Hi, guys!
Yes. So, maliligo na si mama at ako magbabantay sa dalawa. Yan po siya. Magsi 6 months na. Tapos, kagat ng kanyang kamay.
Hello, everybody.
So, while naliligo si mama, ito yung ganap namin. Maglalaro kami ng Christmas walkers. It's not Christmas, but paborito to ni Bella. And then, kailangang i-entertain tong ating ate kasi nga, school holidays. Dapat hindi sila maboard. Turn. No. Oh no. Manonood lang tong isa namin, si Dodong. Kasi hindi pa man siya marunong. Yay! Snap! Sino nanalo? I've got 2, 4, 6, 7. How many have you got?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And the winner is Bella! Congratulations! Hi guys! Ang bait ng anak ko. Nag-offer siya na siya mag-Uber. Ito ang aking Dodong. Yan yung paborito niyang sasakyan ng kanyang walker. Binili yan ng kanyang lola sa carbo sale dito. Parang mga second hand na binibenta. Are you looking at ate? Wow! Thank you, ate. Ganun si Mother Earth. Hi, Mother! Ang ulam namin ngayon. Anong ulam natin, Ma?
Bangus.
Bangus. Fresh from the shop. So, yun ang ulamin namin. Lalagay namin siya sa oven. Yummy! Luto na, guys, ang ating bangus. Ano na yan? Luto na. And Bella is eating as well. Yan ang ating sausawan. And then, brown rice and black coffee. Ano siya, parang brunch na din to kasi, hindi ako nag-breakfast, hindi din ako nag-coffee, kaya ito na yung coffee ko. Makulimlim sa labas pa, kaya it's too dark just now. Okay, bye! Kain muna kami. Andito kami sa likod ngayon, guys. Ang dumi na kasi, tsaka hindi maulan, kaya nag-decide kami na mag-mower. Happy kami ni Mama, naka-start na ako kanina. Tapos gusto niyang matry. So why not? Kasi walang ganito sa kanya sa bahay sa Pinas. So here she is. Natapos ko na yung dun banda. Kasi may wire sa dun sa kuryente. So dapat ako yung mag-mower doon. Tsaka si Bellis dito. Maglalaro kami habang nag-mower si Mama. Ano kami? Taking turns. Yay! Si Mama. Gusto niya i-try, so why not? Ito ang ganap natin ngayon. Ito ang ganap natin. Binili namin ito siya sa Costco. Ang daming bubbles. You like it, Bella? Hey, you good? You love it, Josh? 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 Come here. Dong. Yes? Aww. Dong. Dong. Ali, Dong. Dong. Josh? Sino bang hindi maku-cute na dalawa? They just like to stick together. Are you guys playing together?
Yes.
Hindi man siya mapakong kasi malayo man. Hi, Dong! Are you playing with Bella, Dong? Dito yan siya kanina. Naglakad siya papunta kay Bella. Marunong na siyang mag-maneuver. Like, siguro magiging good driver to like
What's
his dad.
your name, everybody?
Hello!
What's your name?
I'm Mommy Michelle. Hi, Dong! Gusto niya kung nasan si Bella, dun din siya. Ang cute ng aking mga anak. Here to send a parcel dito sa InPost, guys. Katabi lang siya ng Lidl. O, sige. Ayan. Meron kasing bumili online. Okay, scan it, nak. Well done. And then, I've got a label. Tapos, mag-open dyan. Marunong na to si Bella. There you go. And then, close it. That's it. That's it. Ito ang aking dodong. Mag-grocery kami. Yun lang.
Mommy.
Yes? Bella, you'll need a pound. Marunong na to siya. Show the guys. Come on. Here you go. You just insert the pound and then pull it. That's it. This way. Akong driver. We got a list, guys. go straight to the meat section. Are you okay, dong? Are you okay, dong? Hey. My bread dito na gusto si mama. I think it's this one, nak. This one, ito. You get one underneath? Masarap yan siya, ano sa kape. Yan. Ayan, tapos na mag-shopping si mother. Yan. Siyang nag-shopping. Delivery niya ako. Char. Yes, that's been. Ang daming flower. Come on. Ay, gwapo no. Magpalit ko gross. Kana kay mga baby, manang rose good. Di na siya mudako. Katong dako akong paliton. Ay, si mama. Shopping galore. Turuan natin si Madam Miriam paano magbalik ng trolley. Okay. So, ilagay mo dyan. Like you see this, ilagay mo sa ano, sa bangag, and then lalabas yung 1 pound. There you go. Well done. Well done. Kauwi na pala kami ngayon lang after ng Lidl. Dapat kanina pa kami, kaso gusto ni Bella pumunta sa charity shop kung saan yung mama ni Michael nag-volunteer. So pumunta kami doon. Nakatulog si Joe sa sasakyan kaya pinainom ni mama kahit tulog. So binili namin madalay ang haul, mga bread. Paborito to ni mama. Scottish roll, vegetable oil, black coffee, tropical juice tsaka orange juice, tapos baby potatoes, salt and pepper, sweet corn, salmon, chicken breast, vanilla extract, tsaka banana at egg.